Hello girls, in this video I will be discussing the remaining three memory addressing modes, that is based addressing mode, index addressing mode and based index addressing mode. Let me start with based addressing mode. In this mode, the effective address of the operand is obtained by adding the displacement with the base register or the base pointer register. Now the typical example of application of this mode is arrays. In order to locate an element in an array, we need to have first the segment base address of the segment in which the array is located. Then we need to have the starting address of the array, which is given by the BX register, and then we need to have the displacement of an element from the beginning of array in order to access a particular element in an array. That is why we need the displacement as well as the contents of base register. As you can see in the instruction, MOV BX plus 1234, AL. After the execution of this instruction, the byte of data from AL will be copied into the physical address whose offset is given by BX plus 1234. You can see the physical address being calculated below. The contents of segment base address, that is DS register, is being added to the BX register and the displacement 1234. First the DS contents of DS register will be converted to 20 bits and then it will be added to obtain the physical address 04234. In the figure that follows, you can see IP and CS combine to give you the address of the instruction MOV BX plus 1234, AL. Memory contents denote the machine code for this instruction. DS is being combined with the content of BX and displacement to give you the physical address 04234. After the execution of this instruction, the contents of AL, which is ED, will be copied into this physical address. You can see in the figure after execution, the contents of AL has been copied into the physical address 04234 and IP has been incremented to point to the next instruction. The next is the indexed addressing mode. It is similar to the base addressing mode with the difference that here displacement gives you the beginning of the array of data and your contents of index register selects the specific element in the array. You can see in the instruction MOV AL, SI plus 1234. After the execution of this instruction, the contents, the byte of data from the physical address whose offset is SI plus 1234 will be copied into the AL register of accumulator. Now the physical address is calculated on the similar basis. The contents of DS will be added to SI and displacement to give you the physical address 05234. You can see in the figure IP and CS combine to give you the address of the instruction MOV AL, SI plus 1234. Again the memory contents represent the machine code for this instruction. The contents of DS is being combined with the contents of SI and displacement to give you the physical address 05234. At this moment 05234 contains the byte of data BE will be transferred to the AL portion, that is the lower order byte of the accumulator AX. So after the execution of the instruction, you can see the byte of data BE at the address 05234 has been copied into the lower order byte part AL of accumulator and IP has been incremented to point to the next instruction. And the last is the base index addressing mode. As the name says, it combines the features of both based and indexed addressing mode. This particular mode is used to find elements in multi-dimensional array. For example, consider a two-dimensional array. In a two-dimensional array, an element is represented as element M, N, that is with the two coordinates, M coordinate and N coordinate. The M coordinate is given by the base register and N coordinate is given by the index register, and displacement gives you the starting address of this array in the data segment. So you can see the instruction MOV AH, BX, SI plus 1234. So after the execution of this instruction, the content or the byte of data at the address whose offset is BX, SI plus 1234 will be copied into the AH register. So you can see the calculation of physical address. Again, the contents of DS, that is the segment base address, will be added to the contents of BX and SI and displacement to give you the address 06234. You can see the figure that follows. IP and CS combine to give you the address of the instruction. MOV AH, BX, SI plus 1234. Memory content denotes the machine code for this instruction. The content of DS is being added to BX and SI and displacement to give you the physical address 06234. Now the byte of data stored at this address will be moved into the higher order byte part of AX. So after the execution of this instruction, you can see the contents BE at the address 06234 has been copied into the higher order byte of AX, and IP has been incremented to point to the next instruction. So these were your addressing modes. If you have any doubt related to the addressing modes discussed in this video lecture, you are most welcome to ask me. Stay safe, stay happy.